My daughter Karen. Karen, say hi. Say hi. And this is Aaron. He's my son. You would have seen him in the vlogs. Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you are all doing great. So today we thought we'll make a very different video, a must needed video also. At the time of coronavirus, we know we take our bikes and go to many places, and there are chances the virus could be on our bikes. So at this particular time, there is lockdowns and so many restrictions. We have decided that why don't I show you how to clean your bike, and at the same time you can use the same method to clean your car. So let's go directly to the video and I'll show you the things that you would require for it. So guys, so this is a pressure washer, a manual one, which I got it from Amazon. I'll share the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and have a check. This is again a sanitizer disinfected spray, which I'll be using it, and I'll be using a bit of Dettol. I'll mix this in with water, and I'll be using this also, and a cloth. I have another cloth that's in my car. So let's go straight to the video. So guys, we have come to the parking lot to take the recording of the bike, how to clean the bike at this particular time. So I have few people along with me, so you can see that there's a bunch of kids here. This is my daughter Karen. Karen, say hi. Say hi. And this is Aaron. He's my son. You would have seen him in the vlogs. If not, I'll share it on the iCard. You can see him when he was 3.5 years old. He has come in my vlog. And that's his two friends. Introduce yourself. Rohit and Shinmaya. Shrime. Rohit and Shrime. And this is Aaron's friend. This is one of the two friends. They have nearly 50 to 60 people in the flat. They have a big gang here. So that is how it works. So even they have joined. They wanted to see how I'm going to, clean the bike. So they are also a part of this. We are wearing all the precautionary measures, even in the flat, taking precautionary measures and being safe. So let's go straight to the video. As this does not have a center stand on the sliding side, I will go ahead and we'll go ahead and clean the bike. So I'll take this stuff, and how this works is just keep it down, start pumping it, just pump it. So what happens is when you pump it, there's a pressure being built inside this can. So that's how it works. So once it is done, you come here. So before that, do one thing. Take this sanitize your handlebar, the place where you hold. Sanitize this place. Try to sanitize this entire area, because this is where mostly we touch. And the foot pegs, and then come here, the foot pegs and the seat, and the seat, the grab rails. So these are the places where we probably would be touching. So I don't want to spray this on the tank, so I just sprayed it on the grab rails, the seat, the grips, the lever bars. It's all sanitized. So once that is done, go ahead and start spraying it. So guys, I have sprayed it entirely on the body for at least 3 to 4 minutes. First of all, this will save water when you use this particular can. It saves water. I just used 1.5 liters of water, and I was able to spray it everywhere on the bike. It saves water, and yeah, I'll just leave it to rest for 2 minutes, and after that I'll start wiping it. Yeah guys, you like the video? So you all should go ahead, and show how to, show your parents how to clean the bike and car. Huh? So this is a video for you, for everyone. Okay. Cool. So the cameraman now is my son Aaron, so he's going to shoot the video. So apologies if it is not that great, so he's learning. Come on. Yes. So this cloth, this is a not that good cloth, but this is for the greasy type. So I'll be cleaning all the bottom areas with this. So I'm going to use that. Now we are going to clean the body parts, the main body parts. So I'm going to use this cloth, a neat, clean cloth. So yeah guys, the work is done. We have gone ahead and cleaned the bike. It is very neat and clean. So I hope you like this video, and I would encourage you also to do the same, so that you can be safe at this particular times. So avoid going to water wash. If you can do it, it's great. Buy the stuff, that spray. I'll share the link in the description. You will get it for, I think, 300 rupees through Amazon, or you can go to any shop, you can purchase from there. So that's all guys, and thanks for watching the channel. As I always say, ride safe, take care, God bless you. Take me da. Not to carry me da.